we just hopped up out of the giveaway truck. Make sure I enter to win this joint, man. Y'all see this thing is lifted up with all the goodies, the 22s with the offset wheels and tires. Everything on here is good to go. It's gonna be one of y'all trucks, man. Y'all gotta enter to win and put in that 50. Yes, sir, man. Big lift kit, everything looking juiced up. Got the boat. Got this thing cleaned up. Still look good from the last time we went out. But it's time to put it up, man. Water season is over. About to get some work done on this Roadglide. I got the air cleaner. People in the powder coat taking way too long. I took it to a new shop. So instead, last night I went and brought another stock one we're gonna throw on. But this thing is definitely looking good, complete. We finally got the front fender on there with the front rim, the crash bar with the blinkers. We got to go grab these two bolts for both sides. Grab the other, the latch for that other door. I'm gonna go get the radio from my shop. And then that's really it, man. We're gonna have a first ride on this joint, getting it ready to get shipped off, man. When they pick up this bike, they're literally dropping off the Texas bike. So we're gonna get all that today, if not tomorrow morning, man. So stay tuned, y'all see what's going on. We're getting it in, making it happen. About to go hit Harley though. That orange look good. I think they done sold that. What's going on, man? Oh, fuck you, man. We about to get to it. 250, these ain't bad. These are a nice little set. They don't curve. These are not bad, especially for the same day service. Some more, these curve. That's crazy. We're looking for a spring. Got the whole kickstand. It's not even a spring in this one. That's crazy. 60 bucks, no spring. Oh, boom. There we go. Spring 99 to 06. That's not it. They got hella bikes. Shit's crazy. I like that orange. Got the steam set up. Got our parts. We in the game. And we got baby on the truck. Slide on, man. Y'all see what's going on. We about to make it happen and get this work in, get this bike delivered to the winner. Shout out to all of y'all who support me, man, because y'all mean the most to me, like literally. Y'all give me life out here, man. And I get to bless y'all with a beautiful bike like this one on the back of the truck, man. But the crazy part is we're only getting better. So the more bikes we get, the better we gonna get. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm gonna give y'all the colors for the 2019 that I'm giving away with my bike. I am doing orange and black and silver. So I'm gonna try to do a cool little Harley theme on there. It's gonna look real nice. So stay tuned. We're gonna have a bike in the next few hours. You already know as soon as we get it, we're gonna bust that frame down and get it to the powder coat. So stay tuned. Like I said, we're going orange, black, and silver, man. It's gonna look that much better. Look good, man. So stay tuned. We sliding. What up, YouTube, man? We back in the shop. We just pulled up, man. You already know what's going on. We've been running around all day trying to get everything caught up and back on board. But we back in here. We just left Harley. So let me show y'all what we went and picked up. We got a neck. Literally, I'm not gonna lie to you, I already ordered this piece. It's supposed to come in like 3 days, but I don't have the patience to wait. So I have the neck for here, because the other one I had was bent. So I got this one that goes on, then the interfering part. It's another big, huge bracket that I'm waiting on to come today in the mail. So I'll have both of the brackets, so we'll put the whole inner interfering back together on there. All right, like I said yesterday, we ordered all the new internals for the interfering. We got the speaker pods, the pockets, and the air vents right there. And so stay tuned for that. We're gonna have this joint complete together, hopefully somewhat today. So that's that. We also ordered the blinker brackets we got in the mail finally. We're gonna wait on that crash bar now, so we can bolt those to it. And then besides that, we got all the other parts, the windshield and the bezel and everything. And then like I said from yesterday, this is the door. I couldn't put it on because I was missing the handle. So we just left Harley. We got the actual handle, the latch right there. That's gonna make the door flap up and down with the hardware for it. We're gonna install that. This is the air cleaner I'm about to install on here. I purchased a whole nother one from someone off of the internet last night because the one I have for this joint at the powder coat shop, they will not be done no time soon. And this bike is heading out here within the next few hours. So we got to keep it 100% complete, ready to go right now. Not tomorrow, not next week or none of that stuff. So that's what we doing We're about to go ahead and get the bike on the way and complete, man. Y'all know what's going on. We out here working, getting in and making it happen, man. If you're trying to enter to win any of these bikes, you already know what to do. Go on BuiltByDre.BigCartel right now and get you a red Kicks by Dre cap. You're gonna be entered into the Silver Bullet giveaway. You're gonna be able to win a 2015 Lifted Silverado paired together with a 2019 Roadglide, all together for one guy, man. So it can be you, female guy. As long as you put up your 50, you are in it to win it, man. So you have a chance at winning the Silver Bullet giveaway. They literally just won this Roadglide right here from St. Louis, Missouri for 50 bucks, man. So make sure you put in your 50 because it could be you next, man. We sliding, not hiding, man. Let's get to it, y'all. So I just left my mom's crib. I got the box with the radio bracket for the 2015 Roadglide up in there. So we finally good to go. Then we got a radio back there, man. So stay tuned. We sliding. I got my dog Ace with me, huh, Ace? Yes, sir, man. We sliding out hiding. Y'all see what's going on, man. We working. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video because I got another one I'm gonna get into making with for tomorrow. So make sure I enter to win for the Silver Bullet giveaway, man. We got literally less than about 20 spots left. So get in to win that joint, man. We got literally the 2015 Lifted Silverado paired together with our 2019 Roadglide, built by Dre. You already know, man. We slide it, not hide it. What up, YouTube, man? We back out here sliding. So we're about to finally get rid of the 2019 Roadglide we didn't picked up all the way in. I probably got that bike from. Anyway, it's headed to St. Louis though. So it's about to get picked up from the transporter. We got it right there on the back of the truck. I got all the last final pieces, the radio and a couple other parts from Harley. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that up on the bike. Get it 100% complete today so we get that thing on the way, man. So stay tuned. Yes, sir. So today we're about to go ahead and finish this bike up. Got everything going. It's literally just the last few final parts like the door, the radio. I got the air cleaner on there. It was some other little stuff, but we about to get it going. We got everything here, so it's a wrap. This thing is about to get to the winter. In the next few days, we'll be in St. Louis, man. So y'all see what's going on. We sliding. Like I said, make sure I enter to win into the Silver Bullet giveaway. We got the lifted truck right here, paired together with a 2019 Roadglide. Just how that one is gonna look. It's gonna look just like that, if not better. Y'all see what's going on. We got the big lifted truck with all the goodies, man. We got the big 22s, 35s, King shocks. I'm gonna get this thing a wash later today too though, but in the meantime, we gotta get some work done. We gotta get this complete, get this to the shipper. The shipper gonna deliver us our new Texas bike that we're giving away with this truck. And then we're gonna have the 2015 up next, headed to Sacramento. I just got one of the last few parts I've been waiting on. Oh, it's up in there for the radio bracket, but stay tuned, man. We about to get it in. So we finally locked and loaded 100%. We got everything complete on the bike. The only thing that I do have to do is go ahead and put a damn kickstand. Spring on my kickstand. I forgot about that at the shop. So we're gonna do that right now, but we got everything on there fully complete, looking good and juiced up. I was gonna meet the transporter here, but the fact that that bike isn't rolling with the front wheel off, I do need it at my shop so I can use my engine puller to help me get it up out of her truck. But y'all see it, man, this thing is looking good, so much better, man. I'm gonna put a before when I first got the bike compared to what it is now, so y'all can see the transformation, because the other bike that we getting today literally looked like that, if not worse. But like I said, y'all see the finished product. I can get to it. So I'm about to explain to y'all what's about to happen. We are literally about to meet up with the transporter to pick up this St. Louis Roadglide right here in the back of the truck. But first thing first, we gotta head to the shop. So the way this is about to go down, she is in a van, like a Sprinter van. And the way it is like the bike don't roll because the front wheel and the legs is demolished and damaged. So I'm gonna use basically my engine lift to pull it up out of her van into my shop. That's why originally I was supposed to meet her at my mom's house, but I didn't want to do that because it's only gonna leave us with so much time to try to get it out of the truck successfully. So I'd rather meet her at the shop, successfully get this off of my truck, put this on the floor, then allow myself to get my jack out of the shop to jack it up out of her van, so that'd be that much easier. Because at the end of the day, it's like, we done this plenty of times. I know how it can take all day, so I'd rather help the both of us out so she can get on the road and continue her day and I can continue mine. So that's what we about to do, man. Like I said, today only, we got the tickets going for 50 bucks, so take advantage of the sale, man. Get your Kicks by Dre cap today while you can. We're literally about to go get the bike that we're giving away, so stay tuned. We're gonna deliver this bike to the winner, and we're gonna go from there, man. So stay tuned. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on, man. We working, getting it in, making it happen, man. And like I said before, don't mind the damage of this bike that we're about to see today, man. Just know the finished product is what's behind us, just like that, if not better, man. I don't care how I get my bikes, damage, frame, whatever. Just know I'm capable of doing whatever I want for my satisfaction. At the end of the day, I build my bikes, and if anybody like it on the channel, that's up to y'all to want to support and enter to win it. If not, you can go about your day and continue to the next person. But I'm doing what I gotta do, and anybody want to support me, you know what you gotta do, man. So that's all we gotta say. It's nothing else to talk about, man. We don't need nothing more than that. That's all we own and what's going on, man. At the end of the day, we making it happen, man. So that's the main thing. We sliding, not hiding, y'all. This shit is no joke. I got too much going, so I just unboxed one of the boxes. We got the full radio bracket for the 2015 Roadglide, brand new out the box, 100% straight, along with the neck down there. Now, I told y'all yesterday, I already brought a neck from Harley yesterday, and I already ordered one along with this one. That's the second one that I'm gonna save in case the new Roadglide one is bent. But you see, we got the fresh bracket on there. We got the original radio right there, so we're gonna throw that up on there. And we got all the ventilation. So all this is about to come together today, literally. This whole Roadglide could literally be a rolling shell damn near starting and driving and running today. So stay tuned for that. We gotta just get the shocks and a few other little things from Harley, but we got it going on, man. This thing is about to look that much better. So stay tuned, man. We unboxing and cleaning up. I'm waiting on the transporter to arrive. I got the bike outside ready to go. My pops just pulled up, so we about to get it in, man. Stay tuned. Y'all see what's going on, man. We are working. So we're gonna take these to Antonio today. This whole assembly right here is going to Antonio. I got an extra top piece because I already got the red one painted. So we just saved us some little funds right there. But we got it going, man. Like I said, definitely got it going. And I got an extra one. I'm gonna put this back here. This is all the crash stuff to the 2015. Like I said, we about to get it going, man. Y'all see it, we're getting it in. Yes, sir, man. We got this thing coming together. Y'all see what's going on. We got all the new parts on here looking that much better. We got the radio bracket with the original radio, the radio support. We got the speaker pods, the vents. We got the pockets. The only thing we got to do is the latches again for the doors for this joint. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got the piece on there painted with the gauges. Everything just looks good. Loving it, man. I can't wait to put them doors on there with the speakers, speaker pods, and the gauges. We got the gas tank on there looking good. We got to just put the exhaust on there. Like I said, tomorrow we're going to do the swing arm with the rear light bar and all that good stuff. But we got the front fender. This thing is definitely coming together, man. We already got all the other parts over there powder coated black, so everything is blending in looking good. So yes, sir, we coming together. Tomorrow's going to be the day that we're going to finish up the bars with all the wires. We're going to get that stuff from Harley. Get the floorboards on here with the swing arm. We shot this thing as a roller. Hopefully starting, get a hot battery in there. We really could be riding this tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I put a hot battery in there and just finish everything else with the harness, we could really be sliding this joint tomorrow. No cap. I can get the brake lines and whatnot and call it a day. The main thing is really done. We got everything here on hand. The last few parts that I do need, I can get a Harley.